Hello everyone, my name is Brian. I'm back again with a second and last tutorial covering the basics on Unreal Ed. Last time I showed you guys the interface, most of it. I showed you guys how to make a simple room in Unreal Ed. Today we're gonna make a bigger room. We're gonna add static meshes and textures for our level. We're gonna make a multiplayer level, a deathmatch level, and we're gonna plan a little. When making multiple levels, you have to plan a lot. Making levels in general, you have to draw a lot, sketch a lot, think a lot about how to make the player feel comfortable in your level, or how to make him feel discomfortable in your level. Depends on your level, basically. I'm gonna make a very competitive type of level. Yeah, and this is how my level looks like. You have the defenses here, the green colored lines, and the kill zone where the action mostly happens. So yeah, let's start. My brush is on the size of 2000, 2512, which means my room is going to be 2000 in length, 2000 in width, and 2000 height, which is big enough for a little deathmatch level. Yeah. So remember last time, the windows? Pay attention to the 4 different windows if you don't want to screw up your level. And the red thing here is called a builder brush. I told you guys last time. Just doing a little recap while I'm doing this. And I'm gonna add. Then we're gonna add a maker level. CGS add. Remember, we have to remove the volume of a level. To have a better control of the builder brush, I suggest you guys use the geometry mode, and click on the edges, and click on the edge you want to change the size on your brush on. I'll want to change that, and then just drag, 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 drag. Remember to pay attention. If I were to now remove the volume by hitting subtract, and my level look like this on the different views, it will remove the floor, and it will remove the roof, the roof of our level, which we don't want. So we have to be careful. That looks okay. Looks amazing. Let's see. Let's drag this one. Yeah. Now let's subtract. Let's remove the volume so we can go inside our level. Done. Let's rebuild. Let's update our level by clicking build geometry for current level. Nice, this is our level. As we saw on my sketch for my level, I'm gonna add a defense walls so the player can hide or take cover in this level. As you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 defense lines. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna use the builder brush to build the walls for a level. Remove it all the way. Make it up there. try to move as fast as I can. Oops. There. Place it low. Too tall. That. Is this big enough? Get thinner. Yeah, that's okay. That's a nice wall, nice cover wall. Now, to spare some time, let's copy this. Let's build it and copy it. To rotate a brush, press space and use the rotation tool. You see how it looks like. Looks nice. That corner, like that. Looks nice. Like that. See? And then let's copy that to save some time. Let's just remove this. Build a brush there. And copy this. So it goes here. Try to work as fast as I can. To copy something in Unreal Ed, just hit the key button Alt and drag with your mouse and then release the key button. Then you have copied something. It works on everything in Unreal Ed, and it's very helpful if you want to spare some time while working Ed in Unreal. Let's update our level. We have just copied our wall and just update it. Looks, yep, here it is. Let's copy that again. Hit Alt and drag with your mouse. Rotate with space to hit the rotation tool, like this, and back to your movement tool. Here it is. As you'll notice, we just have the default texture for our room. Right now we're white boxing, which means we are kind of making a prototype of our level, but we're not going to test it like that. We're going to make it complete with this textures and static meshes. Rotate a little. let's update our level. Soon done, guys, soon done. Let's move it a little. Update again, hit build geometry, the geometry. Like that. Let's see if we have not the last corner. Copy, hit Alt key, and drag, and release. Drag it to your center over here. If this video extends over 20 minutes, I will cut it up for you guys. Update our level. Like that. Let's add some light. Right now it's dark. Adding light is by clicking right. Add actor. Light is an actor. And drag it. In the coming summer, in June, I'll do a tutorial using the development kit, as I mentioned before. I'll do more advanced tutorial, lightning, kismets, and creating open world multiplayer maps, and so on, and animations. So yeah, I hope you guys subscribe, and I'll come back to that later in June. Yeah, let's copy this light. Place a lot of lights. Like that. Build everything, update our map. There. Sorry if I'm so silent. It's because I'm trying to focus. I'm focusing a lot. This is a really bad way of placing lights in Unreal Ed. But I'm doing it like this. It's just so I don't spend a lot of time with it. The whole purpose of this tutorial is to make a level with textures and static meshes, making a more environmental level. Having a checkerboard as the default texture makes everything in Unreal seem just ugly and boring. So the whole purpose of this tutorial is just to add textures and teach you guys how to make your level look beautiful, basically. Okay, let's add play starts. Add actor. Right click, add actor, add play start. Alt to copy it. Don't want the player to right away spot each other. This is called having map level control on your level. Think about where you place things in your level, so people don't rage quit when they're playing your level in Unreal. In any game actually, in mostly any multiplayer game, having a bad level making it not playable isn't a really good idea. So save, copy that one last one. Here, there, here. Then I'm gonna add boxes. Oh, yeah. Let's save our map. Let's call it. Remember, adding game types in front of your maps. This is gonna be a deathmatch. DM. The cube. Save. Now let's add some environmental features such as textures and static meshes. Click on View, Browser Windows, Generic. How, here's all the packages I was talking about, where all the textures and everything are. To access them, File, Open, Local Disk C. Find your Steam folder where you installed your game. Find Steam Apps, Common, Unreal, the UT game, and Cookie PC environments. Let's add some floor. Let's open the floor package. Our package is called LT. Let's add. If you want to add the materials to the floor, just click on it and choose your material. I want to use this static mesh, this texture, sorry, like that. I want to use this texture up on the roof. And then I'm gonna add textures to the walls. Open again, find our theme package, LT, and add walls. Double click. And find the wall you want to use, the texture you want to use. Let's see. Okay, that works. There's another way to apply textures to your level. Click on it, right click, and apply material, like that. Our level looks kind of beautiful right now. I'm proud. And yeah, let's add some textures to our cover walls. Like that. No, it looks ugly. Not that one. Nope. Nope. Not that one. Sorry, I'm kind of a perfectionist. So let's add something that will distinguish the level. Yeah, let's use this one. Remember to apply texture to everything. There are times where I have forgotten to add textures to my level, and you can see while playing the game, people have spotted the checkerboard texture, and that's not good. So take your time, do it right. Sorry if I'm taking too much time on this. Again, I'm a perfectionist, and I will cut this video up. I'll repeat what I said. This video is just to show you guys how to make your level bearable, beautiful, without using the dumb default texture, the checkerboard texture. So yeah, I'm going to add weapons too to this level so the player can use it when they're playing the game. Click. I'm gonna add some static meshes in the room, in our level, in our little level. There, look, save our level. Remember always to save. Unreal Ed has a tendency to crash, so yeah, I'm kind of paranoid of not saving. Let's see, yeah, let's add some static meshes. Let's add some decorations. Open LT is the package we like to use. LT decoration, find LT deco here, and scroll down. Static meshes and textures that are colored in green are those you can apply to your level as textures. Those are the green ones, and those the white ones are materials, environmental materials that's used to kind of pimp up your level, as mentioned. I'm gonna add one. Gonna add a box here so people can hide here too. To add a box, click, right click, add actor, add static mesh deco SM. Yep, the container. Add a container. Now I want to make the container bigger. Just remember space, and there you go. And just drag up from the ground. There you go. Now I want to see how this looks like, how big it is compared to a player. Now I want to copy this so I don't waste any more time. Hit the Alt key and drag, and release the Alt key and just place it where you want to place it. I'm placing the box in front of the spawn point so the player doesn't see each other right away, so they don't die. They have the possibility to explore the level a little. It's a small level, but it works. There. Save. Let's add some weapon. What we're gonna add is an actor class. An actor class is a behavior kind of element in Unreal Ed. It affects the gameplay in your level. So we're gonna add an actor class. Actor classes are in the generic browser. We're gonna access it again if you didn't pay attention. View, browser windows, generic, there, and actor classes. let's find our weapon pickup factory. The factory that makes us pick up our weapons, and then we're gonna tell the factory that we want to have that and that weapon there. Okay, let's find it. Skip point. Nope. A navigation point. Pickup factory, there it is. Weapon pickup factory. To add a weapon pickup to factory, to add a class in general, click, right click, add ut3 pickup factory, and add lights. There. I'm gonna copy this so don't spend more time again. Want to make the player kinda explore and find the weapons. So I'm gonna place the weapons in between the boxes. There you go. And then I'm gonna save our level and close this. I'm gonna make the pickup factory. Click on the pickup factory and hit F4 to get to the options or the properties for that pickup factory. I'm gonna make the pickup factory produce the weapon flak cannon. The next pickup factory, it's gonna produce the shock rifle. The next one is gonna produce the link gun. Next one is gonna produce the let's see, the sniper rifle. And the next one is gonna produce the stinger. And next one is gonna produce the flak cannon. And now all the weapons on our map have different weapons. There you go. This level is now playable. Let's update our lights too. Ah, pickup light. We have to add pickup lights. Okay. This one doesn't have a pickup light. Let's add. This one doesn't have a pickup light. Pickup lights. Tools. Add pickup lights. Let's try to rebuild it again. Good to go. Let's play. Play from here. Select. Click on the level. Right click. Play from here. Just to show you guys how to kind of pimp up your level and use environmental elements such as textures and static meshes, and how to make pickups. Well, there are tons of stuff to do in Unreal Ed, and it takes time to learn it. So I suggest you guys just play around with it, play around with it, and you'll discover new things to do. And in June, I will cover more advanced tutorials, such as using Kismets to make things happen in the level, such as move around and make animations and such on. And yeah, more stuff is coming, more amazing stuff is coming in both Unreal Engine 3 and Unity. And that was my tutorial for today. My last tutorial in the basic. the most basic stuff in Unreal Engine, and Unreal Editor. If you have any questions, comments, or send me an email. Thanks for watching, and sorry if I wasn't clear about things. Comment about that in the video, and I'll be better on that later on. And thanks for watching. And yeah, if you want to publish your game, publish your level, click escape and go here. This will basically cook up everything you have in your level, placing level. It takes time. It depends how much static messages and environmental things you have in level. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys. In the summer in June. And yeah, if you have cooked your level is in a folder called custom maps. So yeah, thanks again. This is Brian, and see you guys later. Bye.